home is a reflection of who you are, your personality, your taste, your style. Now Honeywell has developed a complete line of wireless door chimes that lets your personality shine through. Welcome home to Honeywell. At Honeywell, we're always looking for ways to make life better for our customers. For instance, door chimes. Honeywell has conducted extensive consumer research to develop a truly best-in-class portfolio of chime options, including improved style and appearance, added security, and sound options. For the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a brief look at all of the new options Honeywell offers for chimes, the voice of your home. The Honeywell Advantage? Sound. Some chime models include customizable tune options that reflect your personal taste. With customizable pre-recorded CD quality sound cards, you can change your chime tune to match the spirit of the season. Celebrate the traditional holidays. Appreciate Halloween. Salute sports. And more. Or you can even download your own songs of your choice. It's a unique way to greet your guests. Another Honeywell advantage, portability. If you spend a lot of time on the deck, outside in the yard, or in various areas of a multi-level home, a Honeywell wireless portable unit goes where you go. Our unmatched range of up to 450 feet assures you'll be alerted whether you are in your home or yard. An optional flashing indicator light is perfect for use in a home with napping little ones, for alerting those with hearing disabilities, or with home offices. The Honeywell Advantage also means style. Honeywell door chimes and push buttons come in a variety of designs, including wood grains that can be painted or stained to match your color scheme, or decorative glass and metal options. Your Honeywell chimes can easily match the look you desire and really accent your style, not detract from it. And as always, the Honeywell Advantage means security. In addition to all of the custom features offered for your chimes, Honeywell has security options including motion detectors and door contacts. Add wireless motion detectors to your pool area, front entrance, or security gates to detect activity. Or add door contacts to secondary doors and entrances, and any other special areas that you want to monitor for security. Honeywell's expanded line of wireless door chimes are truly a reflection of your taste, your style, and your personality, with more features than ever before, all backed by Honeywell's unmatched service. Accent your home and protect your family with help from one of the most recognized brand names in the world, Honeywell. For more information on the style and features available, visit our website at yourhome.honeywell.com. Welcome home to Honeywell Door Chimes.